Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are jumping into a skincare subscription box that is, well, new to me. I have never heard of it before they reached out to me asking if they could send me a box, and obviously you guys know subscription boxes are my addiction. So we are jumping into the Bella Skin Box today. We're going to jump into all of the items inside, retail value, is it worth the price, and all of the goodies inside of this box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week and that's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see all of the details behind the Bella Skin Box, stay tuned. Now the Bella Skin Box is a $35 a month plus free shipping, cruelty-free skincare products and tools. It is every single month, and we're going to jump into the items in this month's box. I am not exactly sure how new they are. From the looks of it, they have been around at least a few months. I see boxes dating as back as February. So we're going to jump into this month's box, and I believe this is the April box. So there is I always call it a theme card, but there is a product list here. So I'm just going to keep that here for the items in here. The first item is the Save the Wave Hydrating Retinol Serum. This retails for $68. You will love our Hydrating Retinol Serum. This incredibly light, hydrating combination of retinol and matrixyl proteins naturally stimulate collagen production. This improves the appearance of skin texture, decrease looks of fine lines, and create a more youthful glow. The addition of zinc oxide acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, while hyaluronic acid ensures adequate hydration of the skin. Now, this is normally a product I would get super excited about. However, in doing a little bit of a deep dive into their ingredients, first off, this is cruelty-free, vegan-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, so it's going to be great for your skin. However, I've mentioned this in a few videos, but coconut, and specifically coconut oil, is a trigger ingredient for me, and this does contain organic coconut oil. So I am actually unable to use this. So I'll be putting this off to the side to put in an upcoming giveaway because I can't use it on my skin for risk of breaking out and having a reaction. So that's not anything against the product. There are plenty of people who love coconut as an ingredient. I just unfortunately cannot use it. The next item is from Tropical Naturals. This is a facial serum created for all skin types. It contains only natural ingredients and a plant-based, no alcohol, silicone, or any other fillers. This is meant to moisturize, tighten, fight against acne, help with scarring, cell turnover, as well as be a lightweight, so you will not look or feel greasy. Facial serum is filled with non-comedogenic oils, meaning they will not clog your pores. Contains oils such as rosehip, which is vitamin C, helping with... Okay, that's just a deep dive into the ingredients. So this is actually something I will be happy to try out. So with oils and certain items, and I do say this with a lot of skincare, until you're consistently using it for 28 to 60 days or so, you're not really going to be able to see if there's a reaction. So we are going to drop a little bit on the back of our hand. So it does feel very smooth. There's a little bit of a shine to it, so it will give you a little bit of a glowy finish, but that being said, it's a little bit more of a dry oil. I don't really feel greasy from it. I had never heard of this brand before, but this product retails for $37. This does have CBD in it, as well as like 13 other oils. So if you are a CBD fan, I think this is something you could really enjoy. The next item is the Me Time Botanicals Sweet Kisses. This retails for $17. It is a nourishing lip treatment oil to promote healthy, soft lips. Nourishing blend of botanical oils of avocado, pomegranate, jojoba to strengthen and moisturize delicate lips. Sweet blend of orange and peppermint to make sure that your lips feel a light tingle. I'm excited to try that. Of the items so far, this is the one I think I am the most excited to try because I do have very oily skin. And that being said, and I know I've said this before, oily skin does not mean you can't use oils. But it does mean you have to be a little more careful with it. However, oil on the lips is always something I like. Okay, so it is a little roller applicator. It looks like I have lipstick on, but I don't. I just have the Beauty For Real. This is the Hannah Lip Balm. So I am just wearing a balm, but I am going to wipe it off. Lightly tinted balm. All right, we're going to take the Sweet Kisses. Right off the bat, it does have a light minty tingle. My lips definitely feel soft and there's a nice shine to it. That feels very nice. Now, if you see any little cracks on my lips, that's actually leftover pigment from the lip balm that I must not have gotten off all the way. Oil does tend to break down lip balms and lipsticks and any pigment. So once I just blot that, very nice. And my lips don't feel greasy. They feel nourished and moisturized, definitely hydrated, but I'm not getting like an overly greasy, slippy vibe, like I just rubbed olive oil on my lips. That would be gross. The next item out of the box, this is from After Spa. This is a hair towel to reduce frizz and maintain healthier hair. Retails for $18. Works great for short hair, straight hair, curly hair. If you have hair, it will work for you. Elastic band built in, allows your hair to flex and shape. Comfortable, one size fits all. Again, retails for $18. This is something I am going to drop in a giveaway as well, just because you guys know 30 seconds with a towel and my hair is done. And if I'm going to style it, I'll blow it out quickly. Doesn't take me too long, so stuff like that, not really something I get use out of. However, that's not to say that it's not a good product, just not something I typically use. So there is one more item in my box, which is not on the card. This is the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum for hydration and protection. Let me see if I can pull up any information on this. So on their website, this retails for $52. High antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils to keep your skin hydrated throughout the night. Use this at night. Okay, so this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has like 12 oils in it, and that's about it. So as far as for my skin, again, I am more on the oily side. This much oil does tend to overwhelm my skin. I don't find it necessary. I do like things more, if it's going to be oil, I want it to be lightweight dry oils and not super heavy fatty oils. If you have dry skin, I think based on the ingredients, this is something you're really going to love. Again, because I'm a little more on the oily side, not something I can get a lot of use out of. That being said, jumping into the two items in the box that I did enjoy, one retails for $37, one retails for $17. So if I was to look at this at a $35 subscription price, I would definitely get my money's worth with the 2 out of the 4 items that I found in here that I really like. That being said, I'm sure the serum's going to work really well on a lot of people. Unfortunately, like, heavy duty bottle, has a pump, feels nice. I just can't use coconut-based ingredients, so it's just not something that works for me. So 2 out of 5 products, while I know might not sound great from your side of things, but for me, knowing like value, I definitely would have gotten a $35 value out of this box. So if you have a little more drier skin, either more mature skin, drier in general, or you don't have quite as many skincare sensitivities as I do, i.e. coconut, you'll definitely get a lot more out of this box than I did. But that being said, I did enjoy the 2 products that I did really like, and I'm excited to see what comes in future boxes. So definitely a hit from me. I know there's going to be people in the comment section who tell me like 2 products out of 5 is not a hit, but look at your value. If I was to go onto these websites and buy all these products, I would have easily gotten my money's worth, and like even above and beyond like just usability, I like trying new things. So for me, any opportunity to try a new product is definitely a win from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!